CGI is everywhere: ads, branding, social media. But did you know you can create high-quality CGI with AI without any complicated software or long render times? This video shows an easy way to make stunning CGI with the Freepik AI suite. First, let's create a high-quality base image. Open Freepik AI Image Generator and write a detailed prompt. Select Google Imagen 3 and create a few images. Now that we have the base image, it's time to refine it. Click on Edit Image and use Retouch if there's anything that needs adjusting, like small imperfections or unwanted elements. Who said you couldn't have full control over the details? Expand the canvas if you need to improve framing or composition. You are going to save tons of time. And finally, go to Upscale to boost resolution and make sure your image looks sharp in high-quality animations. Now it's time to animate. Click on Reuse As and then on Video. We've gone with Kling 1.6 for its smooth cinematic feel. In your prompt, describe how you want the camera to behave. Adding small details like shifting reflections, moving lights, or subtle background motion can make it feel way more dynamic. If you want the most realistic look, think about how a real camera would move. Great visuals need great sound. Apply a sound effect to make the animation feel complete. A simple prompt would do it. To add some cool background music, go to Tunes, explore your favorite genre or mood, and download the music that fits best. And that's it. You just made a full CGI ad powered by AI in minutes. If you want any other tutorials, drop a comment and make sure to subscribe for more.